While we are trying to accomplish what we imagine of ourselves, we continuously invest great efforts. Every breath that is made and every motion that is taken, it all requires energy. Luckily, every reasoned move means you are determined of going forward, fulfilling the ambitions, chasing for dreams, or simply satisfying the adventurous spirit. It all asks us to invest some energy in it, to be able to give more of yourself. Live your only life better. Take everything there is. You must always remember to refill the fuel of life, to recharge your energy. And while doing so, strive always for more than you are now. Do better. Jump higher. Fight harder. And if you fail, recharge and try again. Not because someone is expecting that, but because you are worth it. Release your energy.